going to begin disassembly by completely powering off the phone. Using a SIM card removal tool, remove your SIM card. Using the pentalobe screwdriver provided in the iPhone toolkit, remove 2 pentalobe screws on either side of the charge port on the bottom of the phone. Place a suction cup on the front of the screen of the phone, also provided in the iPhone toolkit, and begin to gently pull the screen up. Once the screen is beginning to loosen, use your case opener tool to remove the screen fully. The 3 ribbon cables for the LCD touch panel and forward-facing camera are all secured underneath a metal shield, which is then secured with 3 Phillips screws. Remove the 3 screws and the shield.